Samuel Appiah, former Asante Kotoko player, and then Musa Manfo Edina Temple social media. Intiname wonder say I didn't know some section of Asante Kotoko supporters Edi Abranti atem santi me compare interview na or granted or this platform StreamYard on a Benji and there's our interview no but semi pair the interview na meeting no Mahusa Abranti and Oka at the bonny be edified coach Ogumo ya ebinu Edina Temno. Pasha with me I follow with me so like with me so I share with me so I subscribe it or comment so with me about comment section on not what boy na it make good this channel. We are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. And tina as one make an pair interview na me tea any day. Man who say Abranti no edidi and I say or can somebody editia coach Ogum. Yeah, I say section of Asante Kotoko supporters edidi Abranti no atem sa ho. Minimum the reason went here, but interview na me tea no Abranti na ko say a chopper and I say advice and now odema coach Ogum yesi we are seno abofro tufu akwala tufu so what you say enti say ohu bibi o coach ni hu na say o kan kire coach na eno nkire se bia odidi coach na tem when ebra Cristiano Ronaldo oni Piers Morgan interview of Piers Morgan ebusan asem about the then Manchester United coach Ten Hag. Cristiano Ronaldo and same fam a man ne behavior towards him. So what I say, and don't you know all can't the feelings and I say the one oh coach you know and no can to pay the interview na me tea which means Abranti no one can as a body be friend here coach Ogum or see coach Ogum arrogant or say quick temper and you on trying or key on it. So after we prayer na say onu nya problem ka hu say na squad no wafiri mu into o stress coach no onya ho adwuma na nemom ebe boa no me hu asemboni biara Samuel Appiah kan edifa coach Ogum ho na ama onam social media so hwe comments ni bia na on present honom enti yina no any opinion na oba kotoko so do be hu yen so na no so da tudwa so what you say yina kotoko no de yakoma so ndi say so hu bibi afa coach no so wo ka ache coach na ebia ontimi nya opportunity enko coach na ene kotona so one on one but through that mean no betimi dia kan bibi ache coach no say yesi ewiase no do twasa no enu say na chi achia enti ebia coach no banyu na se bia o ebia na dwen ko so sa se dibisa na ebia ono hu se bia the way no writing as a discipline you know but ebetimi and in a bad way I ono kra na dwen ema na ho so ti se obi ehu na o ka kire wo se bibisi na wo ye nka wotumi twu hu firi mo efiri ho a na nka ebeboa eno me nyini se eno na ye disrespect to coach Ogum amanfo bi edidi sa Abranti no atem no so what I say you see opinions are like noses na dwen kire ono so oba kotoko ana de obehu e training grounds ene de ekoso team no ana Abranti no be kan ho asem nti wo se coach ni tikra na wode akomapa esum asa wo kotoko supporter wo so de akomapa esum na esre coach no se in case se bibisa ohonoma a obey ho adwuma so what I say yesi abufu ese niam ebia player bi eni bobo wo se nka wo use no team because of say okoye ebia one or two things bi ntino obu afu no wo for no ho wo for the personal issue mu tuma na musia kan e ba sa na okoso team no to coach ne besre no ese emele me hu ni say the team to kotoko supporters ni bia modi na team no a lot of pages ni bia pro Asante Kotoko pages ni bia omodidi boy na tem guy na tem oh but per the interview me hwe ye ne de me hu so kan adeboni bi e fa coach no ho so kan adeboni bi de tia obi e wo say interview ni afutu ene chelpa se coach no e be ye bibisa e de aboa se be ono so e be boa ono ankasa ne career as a coach so what I say nti ye be sere ye ma dure emra okay me masimo team ma hwem so salam peace papa wait me subscribe wait me follow wait me like you comment so wait me da ba na wa share na wa boy okay wait me send stars me masimo team papa